Tony.
I need some advice on transporter audio.
You come to me asking for advice on transporter speaker upgrades. Well, I'm gonna give you some information you can't refuse. Alpine Adventure audio speakers for transporter, starting with the SPC 106 T6, going right through to the 108 T6 and 106 T6.1. Watch the video, we're going to cover all the models. So what's inside the box of the Alpine Adventure audio speaker systems for the transporter? Well, there is 2 mid-range speakers, there is 2 collars, 2 sets of hardware, nuts and bolts to allow the fixing of the collar to the vehicle, 2 tweeters, and of course 2 Alpine signature metal grills. There is an instruction manual as well, but as always, we recommend them being installed by an authorized Alpine agent. So for those who are conscious and concerned about installation into the vehicle with it being an aftermarket accessory, the answer is it's straightforward. It uses the original connectors, it uses the original mounting points, so there is no cutting of cables required or drilling of holes. Right now what's in front of me, I'm just going to run through very quickly on how it pieces together and how it installs into the transporter. You have the mid-range speaker, which is a traditional metal basket with a magnet, positive and negative wiring, which simply pins into the connector on the collar, which I'll show you in a second. And the idea on the installation is that the collar itself, which is made out of steel, mounts into the door using the factory points that are here. The connector itself is a Volkswagen connector, and the opposite side that is in the door will connect and plug straight into this once this is mounted to the door using the hardware provided in the box. The tweeters again have the Volkswagen connector, which is designed to just plug straight into the existing socket in the A-pillar. The A-pillar itself has a plastic grille there, which unfortunately is plastic welded. However, there is 3 simple plastic tabs which just need to be popped off, and then the signature metal grille system, which consists of 3 parts, simply clips in its place. Once this is mounted, the tweeter simply clips into the back of that panel. You can then put the full A-pillar back into position just as it was from the factory. Last but not least, you do get an installation manual, but as we always recommend our products to be fitted by an authorized Alpine agent. So for those who like your music, you're probably wondering, how does a kit like this sound once it's connected up into the vehicle? Well, the honest answer is, it sounds amazing. That's not me being biased because of the brand. That is me talking from experience and using many other brands over the years that I've been in the audio industry. The Alpine Adventure audio kits simply run off the OEM factory radio, and there's a huge difference just by simply upgrading the speakers on the factory radio. If you then wanted to go one step further, you could add these to an aftermarket unit, such as the Alpine ILX F905D or any of the Alpine models in our range. And last but not least, you could easily amplify these speakers from a traditional 4-channel amplifier, and the sound quality is an instant improvement. So these kits are now available to order through any authorized Alpine agent. Simply go to the www.horn.eu website, use the Alpine store locator tool, enter your postcode or city and find your nearest dealer to order them from. You can also order them online from any of our authorized online agents. And again, any questions, please feel free to contact sales@horndistribution.co.uk or simply call 0345 313 1650. So thanks for watching this video today on the Alpine Adventure audio kits. It's me, Mitch Pirrie. Hopefully we'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Sounds in Motion channel. And as always, we'll see you next time.